Hi, I'm Phil Benham with NetDino and Product Evangelist for LeadKit PRO. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your own content and how to embed interactive content from over 1,800 websites around the web. So this is where we've made it so that if you experience writer's block, you don't really have to create your own content for your lead magnets. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. In order to edit your lead magnet content, just create or edit any campaign. Once you're in the campaign editor, click over to the Content tab at the top. Choose one of the sections that you want to start adding content to, or create a new section by clicking the tab with the big plus sign. Change the section tab heading if you want, and when you're ready, just select the Your Content text and delete it. You'll see a plus sign and text asking that you just type your content. You could simply start writing text or paste any copied text here. And if you want to format any parts of it, just select the portion you want to format and use the pop-up menu to choose from any of the options to modify it. Anytime you hit the Enter key, you'll notice that you can start adding more text. Just add your text and format it in order to get all of it just the way you like. Let's talk about that plus sign now. If you'll click it, you'll see that you have three options: image, video, and embed content. The image icon works just how you think. Click it and upload an image from your computer. If you hover over the image you uploaded, you can align it to the left, the right, or leave it centered. Or just delete it if you want. The next icon is the video icon. Click that and you'll be able to put in a URL to any YouTube or Vimeo video. Give it a second and the video thumbnail will appear. Simple, right? Next is the embed icon. Notice that when you click this one, we'll ask you to paste a link to embed content from over 1,800 major websites online. To use this feature, just visit the web page that has the content you want to embed. Let's take Facebook for example. On this page is a video I want to embed in my content. To get the URL for the video, I need to click the date of this video post. That should open the video in a full web page. Now just go to the address bar of your browser and copy the URL. Now we'll go back into our LeadKit PRO editor and paste that URL in this area with the placeholder text and hit the Enter key. Give it some time to load because it might take a minute. Behind the scenes, our system is scanning that URL for content that has been deemed O-embed content, which is a common declaration for content that larger websites use. Once it finds it, it will embed that in your content. Let's try it with SlideShare. Here's a slideshow I want to embed in my content. I just copy the URL, paste it in my LeadKit PRO Content editor, click the Enter key, and wait a minute. There it is. We tried to make it as easy as possible for you. There are some minor limitations to this feature as some websites may not format their content as O-embed content, but there are over 1,800 major websites that do adhere to this format. So if you encounter any problems, contact us through the help and support link here on the right, and we'll do our best to solve that issue. That's it for creating content. It really is that simple. Thanks for watching this video. Again, I'm Phil Benham, and I look forward to helping you do more with your LeadKit PRO account in our other tutorials.